Chad over here at MB Quart. Today we're going to be working on this 2017 Polaris RZR. We're going to be integrating into the existing audio system a 12-inch self-powered subwoofer. So let's talk about what actually comes with it. First thing you're going to get is the 12-inch self-powered enclosure. And then you're going to get a bag with some additional parts. First thing is the manual, which is going to explain to you how to do the installation. A dash-mounted subwoofer control, the audio signal cable, some zip ties, a rubber grommet, a small section of split loom, and then the main power harness. The tools required to do this installation is a drill with a drill bit that can go up to a 5/8 of an inch, a 1/4 inch ratchet, a 1/2 inch socket, a 10mm socket, a wire cutters, some type of flat prying tool, and a T40 Torx screwdriver. Whenever working on your vehicle, you always want to think about safety. Make sure the vehicle's turned off. Remove the key. I always put it in my pocket for safekeeping. The vehicle also needs to be in park, and then also you want to remove the negative terminal of the battery. Now that we got everything unpackaged, let's go ahead and get this thing torn down so we can go ahead and get the installation going. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove the front hood, remove both seats. We're going to remove the center console, and the most important thing is we want to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery for safety. Once we get everything removed off the vehicle, then we'll go ahead and start installing the main power harness, running from where the subwoofer is going to be here in the rear up to the front bus bar. Now that we've disassembled the vehicle, what we want to do is install our main audio harness and power harness, running it from the rear of the vehicle towards the front. First thing we need to do is take our drill with our 5/8 inch drill bit and drill a hole right in this area. You want to make for sure that you check the underside so you don't drill into anything. Now that we have the power wire run up to from the rear of the vehicle to the front, what we're going to do is connect the red wire to our 12 volts on the bus bar and our negative wire to the negative terminal on the bus bar. Once we get that connected, we're going to move to the rear of the vehicle and actually connect up the subwoofer. Now that we have the power wire installed from the rear of the vehicle to the front and connected to the bus bar, we can actually go ahead and install the subwoofer into the back of this RZR. The subwoofer is really cool because it actually works on the Polaris RZR lock and ride system, where it'll actually lock into these two holes. So let's go ahead and grab the subwoofer and get it installed. Now that it's installed, we can make our last final connection between our power wire and audio signal wire to the actual subwoofer. Now that our main harness has been connected, the last thing that we have to do is connect our negative terminal at our battery. Then we can go ahead and test the system. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now that we've gotten the subwoofer installed, we can go ahead and turn our source unit on and adjust the output. So what we're going to do is adjust the volume and move to the rear to where the subwoofer is. And as far as the final adjustment, on the subwoofer enclosure, on the left-hand side, there's a little cover that we need to remove to access our gain of our amplifier. Remove that plug, insert a flat screwdriver, and we have access to the gain of the amplifier. The gain of the amplifier actually adjusts the input sensitivity of the amplifier to the output of the radio. As we adjust it, the audio will continue to get louder. Adjust it until you have a nice blend. Remove the screwdriver. Insert your plug so it's waterproof again. And everything has been adjusted. Now that the subwoofer has been installed and tested and tuned, the last part of it is reassembly. So all we need to do is go ahead and put the center console in, mount our seats back up, put the hood on, and we're done. We're ready to go out, hit the trail, and have some fun. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. Make sure you check out all the other videos.